Did you know that you can hide your hotspot network so that only those who know the exact network name and password can connect to it? It's a very useful option that greatly prevents unauthorized access to your hotspot network. I'll show you the process of hiding the network on One UI 6.1 and connecting to it from another device. Let's get started. Share your hotspot and access the hotspot settings by long tapping on the hotspot. Here, click on the name of your network. Then, open the advanced settings by clicking here. The hidden network option is what we need. When we enable this option, the network won't be displayed in the list of available Wi-Fi networks, but those who know the exact name and password can still connect. Turn on this option. The name of my network is Lilatin, and the password is mypass22. Now, I'll take another phone and add this network. I'll open Wi-Fi. My network isn't among the available networks. Scroll all the way down and click on Add Network. Here, we enter the network name. After entering the name, from the Security section, select this security protocol and enter the password. I recorded this part using another phone because the screen recorder can't capture this. Click on Connect. And that's it. We've successfully connected. It's a very useful feature. I would just note that some models and versions of the operating system do not support hiding the network. Subscribe to our channel and become part of our growing digital family.